Two people apply for the same job, same qualifications, same experience. One gets the interview, while the other gets ignored. What's the difference? It's a cover letter that actually connects. Here's the problem. Most cover letters are boring, generic, and get skipped entirely by hiring managers. Today, I'm going to show you the simple cover letter format that actually works. The one that gets you noticed and lands you interviews. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to write a cover letter for a job application that hiring managers actually read. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why most cover letters don't work. Here is what not to do. Starting with "to whom it may concern" or "dear sir, dear madam." No. Writing a generic letter you send to every company, that's a complete no. Repeating everything that's already on your resume, no. Making it all about you instead of the company's needs. Hiring managers can spot a copy-paste cover letter in just 5 seconds. And when they do, straight to the rejection pile. So, what does work? A cover letter that is personalized, shows how you understand the company, and makes it clear why you are the solution to their problem. Let me show you the exact cover letter format that gets you results. Here is a simple cover letter format that actually gets you interviews. Follow this structure. Section 1, the opening sentences. Start with the hiring manager's name. If the job posting doesn't include it, look on LinkedIn or the company's website. Then write something like this. Their hiring manager's name. I'm writing to apply for job title, position at company name. When I saw that you're looking for someone to specific responsibility from job posting, I knew my experience in your relevant skill would be a great fit. See what we did there? You are showing you actually read the job posting and you are connecting your skills to their needs immediately. Section 2, why you are a great fit for this job. This is where you show proof. Pick 1 to 2 achievements from your experience that directly matches what they are looking for. Example, in my current role at my current company, I then list specific achievements with numbers, with data. For example, I led a marketing campaign in October, which resulted in a 300% increase in sales. I'm excited to bring this same approach to Google. Notice you're using numbers and results, not just responsibilities. That's how to write a cover letter that stands out. Section 3, why choose this company? Show you've done your homework. Mention something specific about the company, a recent project, their mission statement, or their growth. Example, let's say you are applying to Microsoft. You can write something like this. I've been following Microsoft work in cloud technology, and I'm particularly impressed by the Azure cloud computing platform. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to specific goal or value that the company has from the job posting. This shows you are not just looking for any job. You specifically want this job at this company. Section 4, the closing sentences. Wrap up confidently. I would love the opportunity to discuss how my experience can contribute to your team's success. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to hearing from you. Then sign off yours sincerely, your name. That's it. Simple, direct, and effective. Now, Here are some cover letter tips to make yours even stronger. Keep it to 1 page max. Hiring managers are busy. A short, focused cover letter gets read. A 2-page essay gets skipped. Number 2, match keywords from the job posting. If the job says project management, use that exact phrase in your cover letter. This helps with applicant tracking system ATS and shows you are paying attention. Number 3, proofread, then proofread again. One typo can cost you the interview. Read it out loud, use spell check, and have someone else review it if possible. Number 4, save it as a PDF. Unless the job posting specifically asks for a Word document, always send your cover letter as a PDF. It keeps your formatting clean and looks more professional. Number 5, customize it for every job. This is very important. I know it's tempting to use the same cover letter for every application and it's easier. But personalization is what gets you noticed. Change the company name, the specific role details, and tailor your achievements to match what they are looking for. This cover letter format works because it's focused, result-driven, and shows you've done your research. If you follow this step-by-step guide, your cover letter will stand out from the pile of generic applications. If this helped you, hit that like and subscribe button for more job search tips. Drop a comment. What's the hardest part of writing a cover letter for you? I respond to each one of them personally. And if you're ready to land your next job faster, check out this playlist. It's packed with resume tips, job applications, and interview strategies to make your job search easier. Now it's your turn. Go write that cover letter and land that interview. I wish you all the best.